Hello everyone, my name is Anshul Arora. Welcome to my LifePage. Today I'll talk about pharmaceutical industry and my experiences in sales and marketing. Before that, let me introduce myself. I've done my commerce bachelor's degree from Delhi University, and after that I joined my family business for a couple of years and to have a basic knowledge. Then later on I joined in my MBA course from University of North America. The campus was there in London. And after that I rejoined my family owned business. One, sales and marketing has always been a very exciting field, and we are into manufacturing and marketing the natural products, non-chemical products, and it is a currency for tomorrow. Across the world, developed countries in Europe and US, they have banned a lot of antibiotics. So what is the alternate? The alternate is a lot with the nature only, and we are using natural substances to produce the product. We have a full-bound quality control and research and development laboratory, and with the technical, with the result-oriented product, we are very confident in the market. Right now we are marketing across the India and in more than 25 countries for our natural products. So sales and marketing is always been a passion. First, any sales and marketing guy needs to be graduate, no matter from any subject. But if I talk about my field, if you are having a basic knowledge of science with biology and botany, it always gives strength. Apart from that, you can do MBA or BBA in international market or in domestic in sales and marketing. That will give you a lot of strength. To have a basic knowledge is very important. And nowadays, you can study online. You have a lot of courses. One thing is presentations. Now, you need to have very good knowledge about making presentations, working on Excel, working on different softwares, because you need to compare what you have achieved, what is left, what other competitors companies are doing it, and where the industry is going across the world. So for that, presentations play the most important role. Yes, teamwork. Teamwork, I think, is the first and the most important thing, because without team you cannot reach the goal you have assigned for yourself. As I told you in the past, the industry is growing with more than 10% growth, and in next 10-15 years, the entire food is going to change. Now, as we are eating so much outside the home, so then what is happening, where we are going, we don't know what kind of raw material, what kind of ingredient they have used, and because of lot of use of antibiotics, lot of use of chemicals and in medicines, in food supplements, in food, all the residues coming into the body. So the only alternative is with the nature. So to use lot of plants as raw material. So this is a growing industry, very, very fast growing industry, and there is a lot of scope for newcomers, for good educationist people. As I told you, government is very pro towards these kind of research and development, but till date, the policies of taxation, the policies of drug department is not very clear for herbal products. That is why there are different kind of companies who are manufacturing the product, and there are substandard product available in the market. So as a customer, it becomes very difficult to choose the right product. Because now you go to the market, you will see a lot of organic products being sold in the market at a very hefty prices. But the government policies are very pro towards research and development, but they control over quality. They control over companies with proper system of manufacturing is not there. So that is one of the bigger challenges. I get up 5 o'clock in the morning, and from 5 o'clock till 8 o'clock, that time is a personal time to me. I always, invest those 3 hours on me. I get up early, I go for a walk, I go for a run. After I complete that, I love badminton, so I play badminton for an hour. Then I have a cup of tea with my friends. Those early morning 3 hours are most important to be satisfied with your life, to have a happy life. So apart from my morning schedule, generally I come to office 10 o'clock. At 9:30, we always have a morning prayer. So I try to at least come in my office 2 to 3 times before my morning prayer. And after I start my office, the most important thing which I need to do, I start doing it in the early hours. First of all, I sit with my important people, with my core team. We make a schedule of what we have to do today, what was the achievement of last day, and this is how my day goes. At the end of the month, last 2 days, again for sales and marketing in any profession is very important, because whatever monthly target you have assigned to your team, you have to check how much they have achieved and how much is lacking behind, what is their issues, and in case you need to play an active role in solving those issues, you have to see those issues also. So this is generally my routine. By 6 o'clock, I go back to my home, and after that, most of the time I am with my families only, and I sleep around 10 o'clock. So I hope I have been able to give you a balanced overview about what I do, what is my knowledge about sales and marketing, what my company does, and what are my experiences. These experiences, the knowledge I have shared with you can be helpful to you. Thank you so much.